Hello children, my name is Akshay Kumar. I am from Central School. Here, yesterday I taught you previous chapter of this lesson number 1. You should see it earlier before coming to this. Now today we are going to do the exercise of revision work which we had done yesterday. Use of article an. First is apple fell from tree. So here what will come? A or N? You have to use A or N. One is correct. Or both you can use as the sentence. So first apple. Apple has vowel sound. Therefore, we use and. In the blank first and. An apple fell from tree. Tree is there, vowel sound. So we use A, not N. Here, second one, A. A will come. Now, second, you are doctor. What will come? A or N? You have to fill up A or N. So here A will come. A doctor. Ram reads book. What will come? A or N? Here book is consonant sound. So we use A. Next, he is Italian or Indian. Sorry. He is Indian or Bharatiya hai. So what will come? N or A. So here N will come because I is vowel, Indian. Same way, elephant. So Mary is European. You see here European, EUROPEN. E is vowel, but sound is consonant. So here U is European, you have. Therefore, we use A or N. What will come? A. Here we use A. A European. Mary is A European, not N. While it has vowel, but sound is consonant. We use A. Elephant is big animal. What will come? N or A. Elephant is there, it is vowel sound, so we use N. An elephant is now big animal. Big is consonant sound, big animal, so we use A. Next exercise, number 8. My friend is teacher. What will come? N or A. So teacher is consonant sound teacher. Here is A will come. A. Here N. Next. It is unique plant. What will come? N or A. Here you see unique. U is there but sound is consonant. So we use A, not N. While it is here U, but we use A. Next, gold is useful metal, like this, unique, useful. So what will come? N or A. So we have to use useful metal. We use A because useful has consonant sound. A will come. Next, 11th number. He came hour ago. Here H is silent. Hour ago. Hour, A is vowel sound. Hour. So we use N. A or N. What will come? N. Here A. Here A. Here A. Here we go N. Ram is honest boy. N or A. Here honest has vowel sound, so we use N. He is university student. A will come or N will come. What will come? A or N? A will come. Hindi is easy language. Hindi is easy language. A will come or N you have to write. Which is suitable word? Easy language. E for vowel. Easy. So what will come? N. Because easy in easy, E is vowel. Vowel sound is there. Ashok is intelligent boy. What will come? A or N? Intelligent. I is vowel, so we use N. I hope you have understood all the revision work. Again I am repeating. She is girl. A will come. You are a doctor. A will come. Ram reads a book. A will come. Book is consonant sound. He is an Indian. Mary is a European. An elephant is a big animal. My friend is a teacher. It is a unique plant. Gold is a useful metal. He came an hour ago. Ram is an honest boy. He is a university boy or student. Hindi is an easy language. Sorry, it is Hindi, not Hindu. Ashok is an intelligent boy. And okay, thank you. Now we start next session where we learn about the article, the definite article, where it is used. Hello children. Now I have to tell you about the article, where we use the article. It is very important article where we use. D is used when we speak a particular thing or place or person. When we talk about particular thing, place or person. Example, I have lost the pen that you gave me. I lost the pen that you gave me. It means it is particular pen about which I am talking. That is particular thing. It is pen, the pen. We know earlier, you gave me a pen and that pen was lost. So I have lost the pen that you gave me. Here is special pen or particular pen about which we are talking. एक पेन जो आपने मुझे दिया था वो खो गया. हम उसी के विषय में बात कर रहे हैं, किसी अन्य पेन के बारे में नहीं. मेरे पास दूसरे भी पेन है लेकिन जो आपने दिया था वो खो गया, इसलिए हम दी पेन यहाँ दी आर्टिकल यूज किया. सेकंड, द थीफ वाज टेकन टू द पुलिस स्टेशन. चोर को पुलिस स्टेशन ले जाया गया. तो चोर को हम पहले से जानते हैं जिसने चोरी की, और पुलिस स्टेशन को भी जानते हैं. तो उस जब रिपीटिशन होता है, दोबारा से जिक्र होता है किसी चीज का, तब हम द आर्टिकल यूज करते हैं. द थीफ टू द पुलिस स्टेशन. वी नो अर्लियर अबाउट thief and the police station. Therefore, we use here the thief and the police station. Next, 3. When singular number noun represents the whole class, then we use the. As the cow is a useful animal. Here we use a useful animal, but when the cow, special particular thing, whole class, not one, a cow or two cows or many cows. We are talking about whole class of the cow. The cow is useful animal. Same way, the dog is a faithful animal. The dog is a faithful animal. Here we are talking about the dog, the whole class of dog. All over the world, they are found dog. The dog is faithful animal. Same way, the rich. The rich here means the rich people. अमीर लोग, एक दो नहीं, सभी, पूरी कम्युनिटी के, होल वर्ल्ड. The rich. Same way, the poor. The poor. गरीब लोगों के लिए the poor. The rich. English is a language, but when we say the English means the English people, Britishers. The English. The English means English people. अंग्रेज लोग. English people. The English means English people. The rich means the rich persons, the rich people. The poor people. So where we use the next D also used for mountain. जैसे द हिमालय. Mountain, famous Himalaya, the Himalaya. It is a famous mountain, Himalaya. So before that, we use the Himalaya. The Nanda Devi. The Nanda Devi. It is hill. The Nanda Devi. It is name of hill. It is also famous. Now, before the names of mountain, before the names of rivers, नदी के नाम के पहले भी दी आता है. जैसे द गंगा, द यमुना. So, when you name the rivers, you have to put the Ganga, the Yamuna. Now, holy books. Holy books. As Ramayana, the Ramayana. The Ramayana. The Guru. Before holy books, we use the Ramayana. Ramayana is holy book. So Ramayana, we use the Bible. Bible before use the. Now we use the before the special thing or which is only one in the universe, as the sky. The sky only one. Akash. So the we use. The sky. The earth. The moon. Name of the direction we use the east, the north, the south, the west. Before the name of directions, we use the, And special thing we use the sky, the moon, the earth, the star. Like this. Again, when repetition is there, we use the I saw a cow. The cow was under a tree. You see here, I saw a cow. First, we use a. Second time when you are telling about cow, we use the cow. Here is repetition of cow. Then we use the. First we use a because it is first time. Second time when is there, cow is there, we use the in the blank. The cow was under a tree. I hope you will understood this. Thank you very much. See my next video also, and all video you have to see, and comment please. Please like it and comment. I am waiting for your reply. Thank you.